Okay, everyone, would you please put your pens down for a second? And now you guys, I've seen a lot of fantastic diagrams. A few bits that need to be fixed up, that's okay, that was the whole point of doing it. I want to come back to this one that I drew in the first place, and I'd like us all to go through the process of calculating the area together. So if you did not draw this at the beginning when I was talking through it, would you please sketch it now below where you've got your one? We're all going to do this one together, and then you can go ahead and you can work out your own areas, okay? Okay, I'm going to be really quick. So remember, we went outside, we recorded these numbers, you then went ahead and you constructed this diagram, and then you're like, okay, now I see a sort of bird's eye view of the shape that we were doing, okay? For me, the particular one that I've divided up, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 offsets, that means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes that I need to work out their areas of. Okay, because you can see you're going to have 3 on this side from these 2 offsets, 3 on this side from these 2 offsets. Some of you did more offsets, some of you did less. Obviously, the more you have, the more accuracy you'll have. Okay, so I'm going to quickly label. I'm going to call these, I'll start from the bottom. I'll call this 1, 2, 3, and I'm numbering these as I progress through and as I did the offsets, right? Because this is the first offset, which gives me this area. This is the second offset, which gives me this area, and so on, okay? So I'm numbering them all so I can speak about them unambiguously. Okay, and now I can start to calculate. Let's look at area 1. Okay, area 1 is a triangle, right? Triangle is base times height over 2. You're going to be doing a lot of these formulas, so rather than writing out the formula, I'm just going to go straight to putting these numbers in. Okay, remember we said you've got all these right angles. That means that either of these could be the base and either one could be the height. Okay, so all I need to work out area 1 is base times height on 2. It could have been 10 times 8, doesn't matter, does it? Okay, you'll get the same number. 8 times 10, of course, is 80, so you divide by 2 and get 40. Fantastic. So there is my first area. And I'm going to progress through. Area 2, also a triangle, also base times height over 2. But be careful, right? The height here is composed of 2 lengths. 10 and 13, which gave me this 23, right? So when I do base times height, I'm going to go 20 by 23 all the way across. And that's going to be divided by 2, okay? I could multiply and then divide, but it makes more sense to divide first because that'll just make that 10. It'll be a really easy number to work out. 10 by 23, 230, okay? I'm now up to area 3, which is my first trapezium. So we did trapeziums a little while ago. Probably helps you to remember that the area of a trapezium, we developed its formula, we proved it in a couple of different ways with slicing up the shape in different ways, is h over 2. So perpendicular height, have a look at this, this trapezium here. What is the height of this trapezium? It's going to be this distance here, isn't it? 13 plus 5. That'll be the 18. 18 over 2. And then I'm going to multiply by a plus b. A and b are the parallel sides, right? So it's going to be 8 plus 12, which is 20, which is a bit convenient. So you're going to get 180 meters squared. You're going to continue for area 4, area 5, area 4, area 5, and then you'll have a total area, which of course will be the sum of all 5, and then you're finished.